we found us a coffee table at Big Lots that was like $200, and it's the same stuff that I've got right here, and we bought all this for $30 instead of $200. All I'm going to do is take this piece here, put it on top of this piece because it's thicker, you know, have a harder top to it, and these are going to be the borders that go around the edges, just like that. These are going to be the beams, or the legs for it. It'll be a strong, sturdy table when we
right
get
now
done.
is what we like to call a base check. If you can't pick up the lows in this next line, you ain't banging, motherfucker. Paul, give them what they want.
Drop that bass, drop that bass, drop bass, drop that bass, drop that bass, drop bass, drop that bass, drop bass, drop that bass.
Let you know what's really hood and what's all to the hood. The BAR, the Bay Area representatives. Frazier Boy, Lil White. Yeah. Give me the microphone first so I can bust out this bubble. Whoever I did this was, they knew it was some trouble. Cause I get up in them, give it sticky and could get icky and gritty. Crystal clear lyrics come swiftly when you attempt to get with me. I put it down for the PAY, motherfucker. Therapy, Guerrilla Squad, UTT, motherfucker. Y'all don't know shit about that. Check your Bay Area back. The veteran lyricist 21 years old, knocking them on their back. Had to take a drug test, thought it was a drug test. Studied hard and failed, should've taken the answers to my chest. Scooping around, gloves off, hood basically cuffed up. Don't hold an electric on spitters, man, that's fucked up. I'll sit on my couch, smoke a blood and create some thunder. Then open the window, let it lightning and make the police wonder. I'll get them off of the trail while the real criminals wonder. I guess the summer little hustle is too far beyond us. Sun up to sundown. The cops, we get close when they come round. We got to hit the cut and throw the crumbs down. My hood run down, my hood run down. Hustle from sun up to sundown. The cops, we get close when they come round. We got to hit the cut and throw the crumbs down. My hood run down, my hood run down.
Nigga, this the other half for the bar, babe. Representatives, watching what I say around these speeches, cause they listening. Frazier Boy, a real nigga, we'll let the steel hit you. Fucking with a white, gon' make a nigga come and deal with your purple drink in my club, blowing dank.